To enhance your massage, you can use a sculpting stone. This helps with lymphatic drainage. Beginning with your décolleté, hold the flat side of the sculpting stone against your chest, sweeping upward to your jawline. Starting with the center of your chin, sweep along your jawline, first on the left side and then on the right side up to your ears. Next, use upward sweeping motions from your eyebrows to your hairline, across your forehead, applying gentle pressure. Then using the comb side of the stone, sweeping your cheekbones with outward motions from the nose all the way to the hairline. Finally, take the tip of the sculpting stone to the inner corner and under eye area, and with the light pressure, use a circular motion from that inner corner upward along your eyebrow and down under your eye. A few minutes of this facial massage with Cerabalm and sculpting stone will leave your face smoother and noticeably less puffy.